How to install Genshin Impact on PC. To begin, please open your preferred web browser on your computer to proceed smoothly with the next steps. Next, please proceed by accessing a reputable search engine, such as Google.com. Now, kindly enter the term Genshin Impact into the search bar to retrieve the most relevant results. Next, click on the official Genshin Impact website from the search results to ensure you're accessing the most accurate and secure source. Scroll down to the center bottom of the homepage, and once there, click on the PC download option to begin your journey. Now select your preferred location to save the file, then click Start Download to begin the process. Once the download is complete, head over to the file's location to get ready for the installation. Next, right-click the application and choose Run as Administrator to smoothly install the file with full permissions. After reviewing the Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, choose either the Quick Installation for a fast setup or Custom Installation to tailor the process to your preferences. Now, sit back and allow the installation to complete. It won't take long. Next, simply click on Finish and Launch to complete the setup and start exploring. Click on Get Game to start your download and dive right into the adventure. Finally, select your installation path, ensure there's enough space on your disk, and let the download finish. Then you're all set to start playing.
If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share to support our growth.